In my life, I've never felt more free than I did while dreaming of flying. Enter FPV. With the invention of drone technology, I am able to make my dream of freedom a reality. I am in control of the dream now, and we can hold the keys to open doors to places you wouldn't or couldn't physically go. It is a spiritual experience. When you slip those goggles over your face, you're bombarded with almost every emotion: fear, anxiety, curiosity, and excitement. While being hit with all these emotions, the adrenaline kicks in. You flip the arm switch on your radio, and this piece of technology that you built with your own two hands comes to life. Now you're living the dream. You're in total control of that dream. You reach what is normally unattainable heights. You get to see the world through an eagle's eyes, and that is what makes FPV so special. That is what makes spending all those countless hours learning this new sport worth it. So join the Poor Boy channel, and I'll show you how to make dreams a reality.